Hey, girl.
Where's Ricky?
Who?
Let's look at.
Who's Ricky?
Or Brandon?
You look like you had sex with him.
I did.
What? To hell you say? Who's these bitches up on the bed?
Snoring.
Hey, snores. Hey.
That's Allison's in his hair.
Hey, Allison. You snoring, bitch. I can see up your nose.
Ta-ha.
Ta-ha.
Oh, what a great life. It's a blizzard outside.
It is.
Right.
Wow.
Exactly.
What's that in their fucking forehead, is it?
Yeah, you want it like right here. This is where he grows.
Just pop that bitch on camera. I'll sell it to 60 minutes.
Let's do it. No, it's not ready yet. It still hurts. You try it. Gary, take a picture of my boobies.
Girl's gone wild.
Right.
Have you brushing your teeth lately?
No.
You should. That's pretty dirty.
Gary and Cole, best friends for life.
Until I get tired of you.
Shut up. We're gonna get married.
Yeah.
Watch us live together, Gary.
I actually, like I said, I could be a roommate with you.
I know you
I think
could.
we'd get along. Then if your friends came over, my friends came over.
We'd all be friends.
Yeah.
Right.
You could tell your friends to get with my friends. Whoa, what's going on over here?
We could be friends.
Uh-oh.
Gary's like...
Hey girl, how you doing?